So I'm finally done with the project. After all these months, it's a little dirty on this side. Here we go. Quick tour of the boat. Got Evinrude 9.9 horsepower motor. It's a 1978. Rebuilt a bunch of things on it. Changed all the seals on the lower end. Changed the water pump. Changed the entire fueling system. New spark plugs. New pull rope. And we added the modern kill switch to it. Back here we use a 6-gallon gas tank. Keep us riding all day. Back here we have our bilge pump, a 600 gallons per hour bilge pump. The seats are from the Pelican Bass Raider. Very comfy seats. EVA foam. We have the battery for the fish finder along with the switch for the bilge pump. We have a storage bin, keeps fire extinguisher, life preservers, a couple extras. And we have our front seat. I put these foam mats, these rubber mats in for now. Underneath there's a plastic that the EVA foam is supposed to go on, and underneath we have styrofoam to keep you from stepping in between the ribs for a more stable experience. This is from Spring Creek, and these are pontoons. These actually stretch out and help to stabilize the boat in case you want to walk around and fish in the front and not worry about tipping over. Up front, trusty cooler. Then we got a 40 or 45 pound Minn Kota, can't remember. It's mounted on the easy mount up in the front, so you can troll up in the front with ease. And this trailer is from Ironworks that I customized to work with this boat. And most importantly, we added cup holders. It's important to keep your drink on hand in the hot summer heat. And I had to come up with a rod holder technology, so I came up with something like this. I only carry 2 poles anyways, most of the time. Hooked up back here, we have another cup holder, although I might put one on the other side because this one seems to be in between all the poles and stuff. And my transducer for my fish finder, I put it on this because in case I have to take it off in a hurry or move it to another boat or something, to my 10-foot bass raider, I can just move it over with ease. And the boat, we named it Surgeon Son, after myself and my son, who will be riding in it soon. And hopefully this will give us lots of years of some really good fishing. But yeah, that's the boat. Hopefully I'll go on my maiden voyage pretty soon, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for everyone who has supported me on this project. I appreciate your help.